I'm sure you've seen a ton of videos throughout YouTube and other social media platforms that tell people, hey, this is how I make my Shopify store, or this is how I do this with $0. Then you dig into their video and you realize it's not really possible. Could you do it? Yeah, you could probably throw up a store for $0 on a whim, pray for the best, but how is that truly going to turn out for you? Starting your own business is really scary. You've never done it before. You don't know what you're doing. You're trying different things out. But today I'm going to give you some advice on what I would do if I was first starting out. And it's what I continue to do time and time again when I'm trying to find a niche, find products to put on my Shopify store. My name is Meg Haynes. If you're sitting at home going, there's no way I can do this, you're completely wrong and you absolutely can. I originally was a nursing major. I worked at the bedside full time for a few years. And just last year, I was able to leave the bedside and pursue e-commerce full time. So you can do it, and you don't need a business background in order to do so. Really, all it takes is some trial and error and determination. So let's dive into what I do and what my secret is to finding good products and good niches to market to. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is find a good niche. This is, again, consumers that you want to sell to. I usually Google, I go on Etsy, I will go on to different Facebook pages and see what niches are out there. What are people interested in? What Facebook pages are they joining to and talking to other people within those pages about? It's a great way to dive in and kind of see who your best consumer is going to be. From there, I find products that make sense for that niche. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. This could be selling, socks to somebody, selling t-shirts, selling tapestries. It doesn't have to be something that's never been invented before. It just needs to be something that people are passionate about and what they would want to put in their house. So you're probably sitting at home going, well, that sounds really easy, but I'm still taking a chance. There's still a risk that this is a flop. And you're completely right. But something that I do to give myself a little bit more confidence and truly see if this niche is going to work out is I start with engagement ads. This I typically do on Facebook. I throw up some engagement ads with the different products that I've found to see how people react to those ads. Are they commenting on it? Are they talking to other people about it? Are they sharing it? Are they getting really upset about it? Facebook loves to see that. They love seeing engagement, and it's a great way for you as the business owner to see if that's a good marketing strategy for that product. It's an easy way to test out whether you think the niche will work or the product will work. And if you find something that people are really engaging with, then you can just find more products that are similar to that, or just have a slight twist and add more products like that to your site. Engagement ads are great because they're really cheap. You don't need a large budget to do so. You can test out some ads with $10, $15 a day. You probably spend that going to Starbucks or going to Target. You can easily put the money that you are going to spend on a nice coffee into running some Facebook ads and seeing if your niche is going to take off, if that product is going to work. This is the easiest way to do so. It's foolproof. It doesn't break the bank, and it gives you a little bit more confidence if you're just starting out. I don't like to waste money. I don't think anybody likes to waste money, but it just helps you make better decisions in regards to your marketing. Now, if you're somebody who, you want to go the viral video route, you can go through TikTok and try to do that as well. But I personally always start with Facebook. For me, it just makes sense. I know the analytics really well, and I can read what I think is going to work for that niche. So I really hope that you take all of this information and use it for yourself to help figure out what products you should be selling and what niche you should be selling to. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That way I can continue making videos like this to help viewers like you. And if you have any suggestions or topics that you would like videos on, drop a comment below. I'm sure to get back to you, and I will take all of your suggestions and make more videos that you guys are looking for. So thanks for watching.